ISUZU Plaza was opened next to the Fujisawa plant in April 2017 to celebrate the 80th anniversary of ISUZU. You can experience and learn about the role of commercial vehicles and the process of manufacturing vehicles, and know more about ISUZU. The logo mark of the ISUZU Plaza, which is an abstraction of ISUZU's wide range of products and the lives that ISUZU supports, soon becomes visible. This facility is a 3-story building, and the total floor area is 5,884 square meters. We show you our present trucks and buses, as well as the classic cars with historical backgrounds. First, we welcome you to the ISUZU world. As you enter, you first see the area called Piazza, where visitors can interact and relax on sofas with a motif based on ISUZU Plaza's logo mark. In this area, you can study the history of collaboration between Fujisawa City and ISUZU since we built the Fujisawa plant in 1960. Next, we show you the exhibition area. We display the Wellesley Model CP truck, which is the oldest existing truck in Japan and the first truck manufactured by ISUZU here. Let us show you the history of ISUZU. In 1916, Tokyo Ishikawajima Shipbuilding and Engineering Company Limited and Tokyo Gas and Electric Industry Company Limited planned to manufacture vehicles together. Although these two companies would merge later, we have set the year 1916 as the year ISUZU was established. We have the longest history of all car manufacturers in Japan. We go through the time tunnel of historical vehicles of ISUZU and the illustration which symbolizes those days. You will see a 1/87 scale diorama called ISUZU Miniature World with cars moving. This diorama introduces the relationship between society and ISUZU's products such as buses, industrial engines, and marine engines, which support our daily life through life in a fictional town called ISUZU City. We are now at the area called Supporting Transportation Needs. You can enjoy touching and getting on the latest truck and bus models, as well as self-defense force vehicles that you might not usually see, under the theme of transporting goods and people and supporting people's lives. We introduce the ISUZU trucks, which are active in more than 100 countries and regions, as well as our supporters all over the world. We also introduced the industrial diesel engine, which is used in construction machineries. We learn about ISUZU's automobile manufacturing through visual experiences and by touching the products in this area. We see the actual process of manufacturing vehicles by walking around the development and manufacturing process area. This area comprehensively introduces product planning, design, engineering, purchasing, prototype modeling, and testing in this development area. In the production area, you can enjoy learning how a truck is made by watching all processes. You can see engines, press machines, welding, painting, and assembling in this area. This scale model is the assembling line of the light-duty ELF truck. We reproduced a part of a production line at the Fujisawa plant in 1/20th scale. We introduce our advanced activities in order to keep a truck running. This is an experience-based learning section where you can study the truck's mechanism, types, and how they are used. This is a heavy-duty truck driving simulator in which you can experience the safe driving system and the ecological drive. You can study the mechanism of a truck here by projecting images on a screen combined with a real cutaway truck in front. Designs of names and catchphrases of past vehicles are drawn on this wall. At the History of ISUZU area, we introduce our history that has supported customers' transportation needs by displaying various types of our past productions, including the first domestic bus Sumida M type with historical backgrounds. We have put our greatest vehicles on display after they were fully restored. These are the vehicles that we cannot forget when we look back at our history. We display our history with more than 100 miniature models at 1/43rd scale along with ISUZU's chronology. At this section, we introduce the representative diesel engine together with various histories of technology categorized according to subject. At the end, we show you the future vision of ISUZU that is supporting transportation needs. ISUZU Plaza was open to connect us with everyone. We aim to make it a place loved by all, where we disseminate information from ISUZU. We do some workshops and events at ISUZU Plaza. The local communities use our place. We also plan exhibitions, social studies field trips for 5th graders, workshops, and many different kinds of programs. ISUZU Plaza has a shop that sells original goods, and you can enjoy lunch or drinks at SAKURA Café set up next to ISUZU Plaza. Please visit and enjoy refreshments.